For a male and his lifelong partner, the need to find food is urgent. They have a 3-week-old chick. To do that, both parents have to hunt, but chamois, a kind of mountain goat, are here and they are giving birth. One scoops, reaching a speed of over 150 miles an hour. Its attack scatters the herd, and that makes it easier for the other to select a target. A successful catch. It could still be alive, so the eagle carries it away, high over the gorge, and then deliberately drops it. The impact will kill it instantly. A chick can eat up to 1/3 of its own body weight in a day. Parents can't afford to rest for long. Day in, day out. After 8 weeks, a chick is almost fully grown.